Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are healthy and good. I am Arshia Sayyed from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School, running under Paschim Maharashtra Education Trust. Students, in my last video, we are discussed about the new chapter, oceans, importance of oceans. Okay, so in that chapter, we had discussed what are the importance of the ocean, okay, and climatic conditions of the ocean. Okay, so in today's video, we are discussing in detail about the oceans, resources, and the oceanic transport. Okay, so take out your book, page number 35. Okay. So students, in the last video, we had discussed that the oceanic and climatic conditions of the regions. Okay, how many places have oceanic conditions, how many places have oceans. Okay, Beijing, Istanbul, they have a maximum temperature 19 degree and minimum temperature is the 9.0. So these all are the temperature which is related to the different places and different oceanic which is related to the temperatures. Okay, so we are not discussing in detail in that video, but today we are discussed in detail about the oceanic climatic conditions. Okay, what are the conditions of the oceans of the different places. So due to this activity, with the help of the regions, country and high temperature, minimum temperature, we had a region we have visualized that, and we have think that are the places. Okay, so these places have so many conditions, sometimes they are increasing, sometimes they are decreasing, okay, depending upon the temperature. So in detail we are discussing that this means that the region close to the ocean, seas are large reservoir, there is not much of the difference in the temperature. Okay, whatever ocean is there, okay, if regions have the closest to the oceans, okay, whatever region is there, if they are closest to the ocean, the seas and the reservoir, there is much of a difference in the temperature. Obviously temperature difference is possible. So throughout the day, the main reason for this is the mixing of vapor. Why this happen? If the region is closest to the oceans, okay, the temperature will be throughout sometime high, sometime low. Why this happen? The reason for this mixing of the vapor releasing through the evaporation of water. You know the evaporation process. Due to the evaporation process, the water bodies into the air, some water bodies are present into the air. This vapor in the air absorbs. Okay, what happen? The vapor in the air will be absorbs and stores the heat releases from the land. Whatever heat is releases, they are stored in the land. Hence, the temperature in coastal areas remain equable. The coastal areas, so many areas are there. Okay, so in coastal areas, the temperature will be the equable. Equable means what? Equable means they are equal, okay, not more than high, not more than less, okay, it is equal, okay, that is why it is equable. In coastal region, in which region? In coastal region, the temperature will be equable. So this differences heating creates imbalancing in the temperature of air in different parts. This leads to formation of belts of high and low pressure on the earth. Okay, here some examples which is related. You have studied that the equatorial regions, okay, you know the equatorial regions, the plain regions, okay, receives near perpendicular sun rays. As a result, these areas get more heat. Okay, obviously where the sun is present, the sun rays is coming to the earth very closely, so obviously the heat will be very high. So as a result, their areas get more heat, whereas the polar regions receive highly slant rays. Highly slant rays यानी कि slant rays. This rays is also known as the slant rays. Okay, what it known as? It is known as slant rays. This differential heating creates imbalancing in the temperature of air in different parts. Okay, if the rays is straight like this, so there will be up and downs in temperature, but it is slanting like this, so the temperature will be very high. The temperature is very high. This leads to the formation of belts and high and low pressure on the earth. Winds blow due to pressure difference in this belt. So whatever belts is present, so this belts leads to the winds प्रेशर, डिफरेंस इन विंड प्रेशर, विंड्स यू नो विंड्स द हवा, हवा के जो प्रेशर्स होते हैं, वॉट एवर pressure is there, force is there, so differences in this belts. These winds are called as the planetary winds. What it known as? It is known as the planetary. Okay, there is a very high and low, high and low, high and low in the temperature pressures. Okay, pressure differences in this belts. These winds are called planetary winds. These winds move the oceanic water in the form of currents. These currents are warm currents or cold currents. Okay, whatever currents is present inside these belts, they are sometimes warm and sometimes they are very cold. The warm currents moves toward cold region. If warm current is there, they are moved toward the cold region, and the cold currents move towards, obviously warm रहे तो cold की तरफ move होगा, and cold रहे तो it will be moved from warm regions. This means ocean's currents move from the equatorial region to polar regions and from polar region to the equatorial region. Okay, equatorial to the polar region and vice versa, polar to the equatorial region. Understood? So this leads to the redistribution of heat on the earth. What happened due to this equatorial to the polar and polar to the equatorial, the distribution. Okay, distributions of what? Redistribution of heat on the earth. The cold current moving towards the equatorial region make the temperature of coastal areas in that zone milder, whereas the warm currents coming in the colder region cause temperature in the coastal areas to rise. We have seen this is, so we have seen in so many areas regions high temperature, low temperature, coastal regions. Okay, so these all are the climatic conditions which is related to oceans. Okay, how many temperatures are there, how types of temperatures is there, low, rising, maximum, minimum temperature. So this all about the description about the climate and the oceans. Okay, so in the last video we had discussed that climatic condition, not in detail but some brief introduction of the climatic condition. So have you understood what is the coastal region, how the temperature going rise and down? Okay, the coastal region, equatorial plane, what do you mean by equatorial plane? So students, I hope you understand what is the climatic condition and oceanic condition of the some regions and how regions are occur, coastal regions and some littoral regions. So these all are the climatic condition of that regions. Okay, so student, I hope you understand. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.